Find yourself in a comfortable seated position, settling in and getting ready to breathe arms up and take a forward bend. Landing, letting your body relax. Breathing up, inhale, exhale down. Finding that full stretch. And as you breathe, hold, maybe tent the fingers, just stack the fingers, take that stretch right up through the arm, relax through the shoulders. Landing in your practice, getting ready for seated boat pose. But just take your time feeling the stretch, finding your breath. Preparing for seated boat, extend the legs out, hands under the knees just to help you sit tall and find your balance. And then when you're ready, finding that balance on your sits bones. Now, if your tailbone doesn't like this, let the feet come down and just hold the pose without the lifted feet, but relax wherever you are. Come down into Baddha Konasana, bound angle, soles of the feet together, knees relaxed to either side. Getting ready for seated boat one more time. Sit tall, long spine, reach through the fingers, that your shoulder blades relax. Breathe. Those who like to extend the legs can do so. That puts a little bit more pressure on the tailbone, so you need to know if that's okay for you. Breathing, preparing to release softly. And then making your way into a twist in lotus. As you set up in the twist, let your head look away. Inhale tall, relax down with every exhale. That back arm is straight, helping you sit tall. Let the other arm resting on the leg gently pull you into the twist. Breathe. And now extending the legs, preparing to give yourself just a little bit of a bounce. Just kind of waking the legs up a little bit more. Wiggling toes. Important to keep them limber. Just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Squeeze, stretch the toes. Inhale, exhale, slow and full. Maybe a little more bouncing, and then soft fists to give yourself a self-massage. All down the legs, the belly, the back. Just breathe. Let that all happen. Taking your time, we're getting ready to do upward table. So you're going to bring the legs in and arms are back, however it's comfortable for you, preparing to lift into up table. That's up facing table. Eyes can look forward over your belly or they can look up, whatever feels better for your neck. Don't let the tailbones sag as you're in that pose. We're coming into it again, but for now, extend the legs, get ready for a forward fold as you inhale up, exhale, release forward. Maybe grab the toes so you get a full stretch, but just release into this opening for your body. Getting ready to repeat the up table. Lift. Strong feet pressing into the ground. Let the buttocks lift up. Try not to sag there. Full breath. Coming down, another forward fold, just taking your time. Working all those joints, muscles, letting everything feel the benefit of your slow stretching and your deep, deep breathing in and out. One final up table with a bit of a variation. So as you lift in, prepare to take one leg to the center with the weight and the other one lifts out, straight out. Toes pointing to the ceiling or straight forward, whatever stretch feels better. Switching feet when you're ready. Strong arms, strong reach through the leg, gently coming down. Coming into lotus briefly as you come into Baddha Konasana, bound angle, soles of the feet together, just rocking until you're comfortable. And then pulling yourself into a forward lean. Breathing in and out. Releasing. Let both legs go to the side. Full spinal twist. Looking away from the legs. Keep that energy moving in the core of the body. Keep the flexibility built by extending that side torso into the stretch. Once again, coming into lotus. Preparing to close this short practice. Deep breath. Honoring yourself. Namaste.